Good morning. Sorry. Today we are going to Newbold Quarry Park, or Newbold Park Quarry. I'm just going to take the long route because this takes us up to the Oxford Canal. Going to go the long way around. I know you've all probably seen this before if you've watched my other videos. The bridge is up there. Catch you when I get a bit further along. Just going to correct myself, it's Newbold Quarry Nature Reserve. Like I said, if you have seen some of my videos before, I have called the other quarry that we've got Newbold Quarry. I might have explained this already, I can't remember. But that is actually Parkfield Road Quarry. That's where they're doing the HS2 works. Ooh, here we have a river dancer. I wonder where Michael Flatley is. But yeah, catch you further along. So we're going to be taking that path up. So we'll just give you a little pan around. If I remember rightly, that's steps. Those steps are atrocious. A little pan around. Oh yeah. And let's go up these stairs without falling over. There we go, made it. So, that way goes into Swift Valley, I believe. In fact, I've done a video here. You probably haven't seen it because it wasn't night and I don't think I've put it out yet. I might have done, I'm not sure. But this goes over to the viaduct, I think. I think it does. Can't remember. But I think I need to go that way, so I'm just going to go and check. So yes guys, that is the way I'm going. So this is Viaduct Cycleway. We're going this way to Newbold Quarry Nature Reserve, whatever I called it earlier. This does go into residential, so I'm going to stop the recording here and catch you up. I'll catch you when I get there. Alright, so here we are. That's the sign to Newbold Quarry. Can't really read it, it's really dirty, but the entrance is, parking is up there. There is a pathway up there, but we're going to go in through where the cars go. The yellow gates over there is where we go in the distance. And there are some warning signs here. And I'm assuming Polish. I'm not sure. I think so. Let's go in. A fair few parking spaces here. About 30, something like that. The little lights in the floor again. Morning. I think I'm going the right way. There are some 2 goalposts there. Oh, I think I'm going the right way. That just takes you out. Maybe I should have gone up to that path. Alright. Let's just take that in. I'll have a look. Right, I'm going the right way, but, well, kind of. I need to go up here. That actually takes me to the quarry. I thought there'd be proper paths here, but it doesn't seem to be. Just that little bit behind me. Yeah, so this is the path here. Not really much of a path, but it's better than some places I've been. It's not got 3 inches of water in it. We'll go up here. Here we are. So we are gonna go, which way should we go? We'll go this way. So they have been doing some making fences out of wood. You know what I mean, kinda. So all those there. These ones look fairly new. And we're gonna go left. There we go, we'll go this way. Yeah, see, fairly recently cut down to put these, I'm going to assume these are fences to block people going into the water. Or, they only want people to go down to certain places. Oh yeah, it's because there's a massive drop behind there, that's why. Here we have, there we go. Stop and read if you want to. Ooh. No drones. No, it's definitely no swimming or camping. I'll have to check that drone one, because I looked on Drone Assist. I don't think there's a no-fly zone here. So I don't know how they'd enforce that, unless there is a local bylaw. I'm not sure. So we'll go down there in a minute. There's a bloke over there on a bike. So that's just another entrance in, I think. But we'll go and have a look. Oh, actually, yeah, I don't think there's anything to go around there. Oh no, this bit kind of just juts out into the middle of it. You see over in the distance there are some swans. Just there. So we will be walking along that path over there, so I'll get closer to them. Yeah, so we'll go this way. And there are some fairly decent paths up here as well. Probably not wheelchair accessible, unless you've got one of those off-road ones. That's the same sign as the other ones. Pardon me. So the path goes down there. think this just wraps around on itself. Maybe. We'll find out. Oh, bloody hell. I can hear some geese as well. Oh, these stairs are not the best. Oh, they definitely won't get down here in a wheelchair. Ah yes, so it goes left and right. So I'm going to carry on going left as we've gone left all the time. They also have bins, which is good. It's the first one I've seen, maybe. Don't remember seeing one in the car park. I brought some food with me today because it's a bit early. That's the rattling, I'm just trying to get it out. Ooh, gate so you can get in if you need to. Oh, it has a bit of a boat ramp there as well. So, my food. Got myself a pork pie. Pork pie. Now that is a good pork pie. Sorry for talking my mouthful. There we go. Well, that's a nice dedication. I don't know how many people have lost their lives here because it didn't say. There's the big one, dogs on a lead, do not walk on the ice. Well, I mean, you can do if you're a dumbass, but... Well, here's a better, a cleaner one. So pause and read if you want to. Bin, the rubbish not in the bin, but... Also, dog bin, that's good, not dog bin, dog poo bin. There's a little path there, but we're going to go this way. I know this is right, but never mind. Typical swans going the wrong way. Well, they're probably going the way they want to go. Not the way I want them to go. Oh well, let's carry on walking. Now, this might be a problem. There we go. Well, I didn't come this way, I wouldn't have seen that. But I do have wet feet. Yeah, so The level of this is really, really high, as you can tell by the puddle I've just gone through. That is about, well, as you can see, wet feet. It was about 3 inches deep. Oh, sorry, that was a good pork pie. And there's actually nothing now to see. So this is going to take you around to a bit so we can't see, so I'm going to stop recording here. So we've just come out there, and we're going, quick wander up here. Well, the path continues around there. I'm just going to have a quick wander up here, see what we've got. I don't know, is this the canal? It's the canal. Oh, there we go. It's the Oxford Canal. This is the Oxford Canal Walk, which we started on that way, I think. I can't remember. I think it's that way. It's got to be that way. So we'll go back in. If I'd known I could get into this place from here, I'd have tagged it on when I did the Oxford Canal, or done it in the middle of it. Never mind. Yeah, it's just fences again. I'll catch you up at the end when there's no fences. So we've just come from down there, back to seeing Quarry again now. Just gonna wander this way. There is steps that go up there. We're gonna go back in just a second. Well, not a second, a couple of minutes, see where this takes us. Oh, we can use that one on the way back instead. Like, I don't know, lightning strike maybe? Maybe not. Probably arsonists. Buggers. That's where we were over there, I believe. Yeah, that's the path around there. But we didn't walk around that bit. Yeah, I'll catch you up when I get down there. So we're coming back down. There are numerous steps up there which we can go up to get a view from up there. I am having another pork pie as well. I'm going to zoom out a bit for you. Hopefully it's not flooded around here. It's not, but I think it has been fairly recently. There are paths and stairs everywhere in this place. Another one there, doesn't look very well used. There's not many birds here that I can see. There were 2 swans, which I can't find anymore. I've probably only seen about 8 birds, maybe. I can hear a lot. They're all far away. I do believe we're now... Oh no, we're not. Oh, there's another one. Bird, that is. I lost him. Not allowed. Yeah, so this is the steps where we started. So we're just going to go back up these ones. These 2, I can't be bothered to walk all the way back. Alright, catch you in a minute. We're back up the top. The swans have gone. There are some birds playing just down there. Looks like they're trying to find their dinner. They haven't back up. So, I've been up there already, so I'm not... There's another bit right up there. Yeah, let's go up there. So here we are walking towards that top bit that I showed you earlier. Annoyingly, it started to rain. I haven't got my raincoat with me, so I might get a little bit wet. Left it is. I'm going to go up these stairs here. God, these are blooming steep. Oh. Ooh. So there's some bricks down there that look like they've come off here. And there's a bit more brickwork there. This looks like a gun emplacement. That's what it looks like. Go and assume World War II gun emplacement, anti-aircraft, I would have thought. One second. So I'm back. So yes, this is a World War II Bofors gun emplacement. I think that is anti-aircraft. It's gotta be. Nothing to shoot around here except in the sky. So there we go. Didn't know that was here. Morning, Mr. Magpie. How's Mrs. Magpie? It is in the tree just down there. We're going down there. Yeah, I'm going to need all my hands for this. And that's what we've just come down. That is the one that we saw earlier when we came from that way. So I'm going to probably leave it here. We'll see what's up this way. Probably an exit. Yeah, it's an exit. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much. Do all that palaver with a like, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do. If you don't want to, don't bother. I'm not too fussy. I enjoy doing this for myself, so thank you very much. Catch you on the next one.